Hello, this is Dan Alford with ARC Specialties. I have an old video that we never posted online, but it has a few features that might apply to your project, so we thought we'd put it up. This is a 4-torch gas metal arc welding system for making centralizers. It has a load and an unload station, and so you'll load on the outside while the robot's welding on the inside. This is always the most efficient configuration for an automation cell. You can see all four of the torches come down simultaneously. There was actually a torch height sensor. You'll see it come back down. This is determining the height of the part because this machine had to be designed to handle multiple diameters, multiple lengths, and multiple numbers of these bows. Those are the rods that go between the two collars. So we determine the height with the sensors. The torches move in. We light 4 arcs and weld simultaneously with 4. This is a way to speed up a welding process. It's literally 4 times as fast as a single torch. This system was actually designed to replace a robotic system. The robotic system was slower because it simply had 2 torches. There's no way a single robot can operate 4 torches at once, and actually even with the 2 torches it didn't work very well because the robot could only position both of them simultaneously. You couldn't independently move a torch. So by going to a dedicated system with servo tooling, we're able to outrun the robot by a factor of 3 or 4. So here's John on the outside of the machine, presses the foot pedal. The servo tooling moves out of the way. He unloads the part. This same servo tooling allows the machine to automatically compensate for different part diameters and different part lengths. It's a pretty efficient system. Overall, I was quite pleased with it. This is a good example of sometimes a dedicated system will beat a robot. At ARC Specialties, we thrive on problems. Send us yours.